It's rainy evening, friends. Now we check the governor switch for this one. This one is switch. What they call that? Governor switch. Centrifugal switch. We check the connection of the starting winding. It red, and this one in the tail connection. Check the connection if is working or not. Good. Ay, sorry. Now we check the contact of the centrifugal switch.